Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sonia from Sabrish Curiosity. In today's video, we are going to see crab gravy. Yes guys, I'm going to take you into the pantry today. Let's get started guys. For today's dish, I have taken half kg of crabs. Okay, so it came around 4 pieces in my pantry, and the ingredients are half kg of crab, freshly cleaned crab, 2 medium-sized onions, 2 medium-sized tomatoes, and for this dish I have used a special masala. This masala paste I usually used to add for all the non-veg dish which I have prepared, except fish curry. Yes guys, for this masala paste I have taken 6 pieces of garlic cloves and 2 inches in length of ginger, and 6 to 7 pieces of pepper, 1 spoon of fennel seeds, 1 spoon of cumin seeds. I have grinded all these two into a fine paste and have made that. Okay, so these pastes I also added to 3 to 4 pieces of chilies, that is dried chilies, red chilies, into this paste. And so I have also taken gingerly oil for this dish, because we usually used to pour gingerly oil to all the non-veg dish which are prepared to add a good taste. And let's get started. These are the only ingredients which we are going to make. Yes guys, let's get started. So I'm just placing a tawa. We can in this kadai, we can it's usual kadai for making non-veg we used to have. So I'm pouring 3 spoons of gingerly oil, and I've taken fennel seeds, 1 spoon fennel seeds, 1 spoon cumin, and half teaspoon of mustard seeds. I'm just, when the oil is heated, I'm just dropping all these ingredients, spices into the heated oil. And when these seeds pops up, so I'm just dropping my finely chopped onions, 2 medium-sized onions as I already mentioned, and I'm just frying that into a nice golden yellow color. Okay, when this oil becomes transparent and golden yellow color, I'm just putting the masala paste, 2 teaspoons of masala paste. That's a ginger garlic paste. That's a combination of fennel, cumin, pepper, and chilies. Okay, I'm just dropping this, and I'm just sorting it until the raw smell of these ginger garlic paste is done. Okay, when the raw smell is gone, I'm just putting my 2 finely chopped tomatoes, and I'm just sauteing it up in for another 5 minutes. When this tomato skin peels off automatically when we touch with our spoon, then that's the correct consistency for us to put the dried masalas. Okay, that's my, so I'm just putting enough amount of salt for taste, and 1 half spoon of my turmeric powder, 2 spoons of mixed chili powder, that's chili with the combination of coriander seeds, right? That powder I'm just putting. That's all guys. The dried masalas is done, and just sauteing it in another sauteing for another 1 minute. After I'm pouring 1 tumbler, 1 cup of my 1 cup of my water, or 1/2 cup also if it is okay for you. In the gravy, if you want to have a thick gravy paste, we can pour only 1 cup. If you want to have more something like curry for making to add into rice and eating, then you can add 1/2 cup of water also. So when this and I'm just closing with the lid and making it to keeping it for another 10 minutes to cook. When after 10 minutes, I'm just taking the crab and dropping into the gravy masala which we prepared, and I'm leaving it for another 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, you can add some coconut if you want to have into a good taste. You can add coconut pieces also. Grinding the coconut along with the 4 to 5 spoons of 5 pieces of cashews, it will be having a good taste. So in my case, my husband doesn't like coconut, so I'm not dropping the coconut here. So I just eliminated the coconut ingredient in from this dish. So after 20-25 minutes, I'm just chopping the coriander if you want to add coriander, but in my case I'm not having coriander in my home, so I'm just dropping that coriander also. And after 20-25 minutes, so you'll be getting a nice aroma of the crab gravy. So you can switch off the stove, and you can directly use this for your rice or chapati or idli or dosas as you wish. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope this video will be good enough for making this crab gravy. Thanks, guys, for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.